English grammar test, 10 common mistakes most learners make. Question 1. I look forward to A. See, B. Seeing, or C. Seen. The correct answer is B. Seeing. Look forward to must be followed by verb plusing. Question 2. She. A. Don't have, B. Doesn't has, or C. Doesn't have. Correct answer is C. She doesn't have. After it doesn't, we use the base form verb, have. Question 3. I. A. B. No word, or C. Do agree with you. Answer is B. Never say I am agree. Agree is a verb, not an adjective. Just say I agree. Question 4. I've been here. A. Since, B. For, or C. During 2 hours. Answer B. For 2 hours. Used for to show a duration or period of time. Question 5. Stop. A. Make, B. To make, or C. Making noise. Correct answer is C. Making. The verb stop is followed by a verb plusing. Question 6. Where? A. Does, B. Did, or C. Was she go yesterday? Answer B. Did she go? Use did for questions in the past tense. Question 7. Interested. A. In, B. On, or C. At history. Answer A. Interested in. The correct preposition is always interested in. Question 8. Every student. A. Pass, B. Passes, or C. Passing. Answer B. Every student passes. Every is always followed by a singular verb. Question 9. I am used to. A. Wake up, B. The waking up, or C. Woke up. Correct answer is B. Waking up. Be used to is followed by a verb plusing. Question 10. She is? A. More tall, B. Taller, or C. More taller. Answer B. She is taller. For short adjectives, add er to compare. Excellent! You've completed the challenge. Subscribe for more.